Rajya Sabha MP Ningthau Sanajaoba has drawn the attention of Union Civil Aviation Minister K. Rammohan Naidu for a concessional airfare for travellers from Manipur to other parts of the country in view of the unprecedented law and order situation prevailing in Manipur. According to a letter returned to the Union Minister, MP Sanajaoba pointed out that since May 3rd of last year, Maitai community travelling outside the state has completely stopped as the National Highway 37, National Highway 29 and other highways connecting the other states are passing through Kuki-inhabited areas. Due to the risk of life, students, patients or travellers and everyone belonging to Maitai community has to travel at least up to Guwahati or Kolkata by air, which has become additional economic burden for common men. He further appealed to the Union Minister to review the fare policy for all airlines flying Imphal sector to reduce the airfare, particularly for students, patients and common men.